Welcome dear students. Today we are going to continue the topic universe and solar system. Now we are going to learn more about our planets. The word planets means wanderer. There are 8 planets in the solar system. How many planets are there? 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All the planets rotate anti-clockwise from west to east on their own axis, except Venus and Uranus rotate clockwise from east to west. Which are the planets rotate in clockwise direction? Venus and Uranus. The elliptical path in which the planets move around the sun is known as orbit. What is the meaning of orbit? The orbit means the path in which the planets move around the sun. 8 planets are classified into 2 groups based on their distance from the sun. Their inner planets and outer planets. Now we are going to see about inner planets. The inner planets. The 4 planets nearer to the sun are called inner or terrestrial planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. The inner planets are made up of rock and metals. The surface of inner planets has mountains, volcanoes and craters. First we are going to see about Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the sun. It is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger to the god. What is the meaning of Mercury? The meaning of Mercury, messenger to the god. It is an airless and waterless planet. It does not have an atmosphere and so experience extreme of temperature. Why the planet Mercury is having extreme temperature? Because it is the closest planet to the sun. It has no natural satellites. Mercury can be viewed in the morning and evening with naked eyes. Next we are going to see about Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is called Earth's twin as it is almost the same size as the Earth. It rotates in the opposite direction to all other planets except Uranus. It has no natural satellites like Mercury. As I already told, Mercury not having satellite, like that Venus also not having any satellite. Its thick atmosphere is mainly made up of carbon dioxide. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is often visible in the morning and the evening, and so it is frequently called as the morning star and evening star. Next we are going to see about Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the sun and 5th largest planet in the solar system. It is called blue planet or water planet because 3/4 of the Earth is covered by water. Its atmosphere is mainly made up of nitrogen, oxygen and other gases. The Earth revolves around the sun at a speed of about 30 km per second. Earth is a special planet. It is the only planet known to have life. Life exists in Earth because of its suitable temperature, breathable atmosphere and availability of water. So Earth is a living planet. Why Earth is living planet? Because of its suitable temperature, breathable atmosphere and availability of water. So Earth is a living planet. Understand now? Next, we are going to study about the planet Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. It is named after the Roman god of war. It appears red in color due to the presence of iron oxide on its surface. So, it is often described as the red planet. Why Mars is called as the red planet? Due to the presence of iron oxide on its surface. So, it is called as the red planet. Mars has two natural satellites, namely Phobos and Deimos. Next, we are going to see about the outer planets. The outer planets are separate from the inner planets by an asteroid belt. All the outer planets are mainly made up of hydrogen and helium gases. They are also much larger than the inner planets. Next, we are going to see about Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. It is named after the king of the Roman gods. It is the third brightest object in the night sky after Moon and Venus. It is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. It is called a gas giant planet. Its atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium like the Sun. It has the largest number of natural satellites. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. It is named after the Roman god of agriculture. Saturn has many rings around it. These rings are huge and are mostly made up of ice, rocks, and dust particles. Saturn has 62 natural satellites around it. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It was the first to be discovered with a telescope by the astronomer William Herschel in 1781. It appears green due to the presence of methane. It is named after the Greek god of the sky. It rotates on its axis from east to west like Venus. Uranus has 27 natural satellites around it. Next, we are going to see about Neptune and last planet also. Neptune is the eighth and the farthest planet from the Sun. There are strong winds in this planet. It is named after the Roman god of sea. Neptune has 14 natural satellites around it. Neptune is one of the oldest planets in the solar system. Dear student, let me ask some questions related to the topic. There are dash planets in the solar system? 8 planets. How many planets are there? 8 planets. What and all the inner planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The smallest planet is Mercury. The planet is called Earth's twin Venus. The living planet or blue planet Earth. The distance between the Sun and the Earth is about 150 million kilometers. The dash is named after the Roman god of war, Mars. The fastest spinning planet in the solar system is Jupiter. Saturn has dash natural satellites around it 62. The Earth's satellite is Moon. The astronomer William Herschel discovered dash in 1781 Uranus. Thank you, dear children. Learn well, do well, be happy. Stay home and stay safe.